If you look historically on the timeline,
Yes.
Judaism is almost 500 years younger than Christianity.
How possible is that?
Go and make your own research.
The Jews were not practicing a religion.
The Jews never practiced that religion.
Babenza usiko lwabo.
Beziphilela usiko lwabo njengamaXhosa, njengamashangani, njengamazulu, njengamavenda, beziphilela impilo yabo. It was never a religion.
Into yabo ukuthi manje basobona bayidocument yabayincwadi.
There was a certain narrative that had to
be maintained.
Yeah.
This what became the Bible is oral history. Stories that were told to children generation after generation.
Yeah.
So it was never a religion. The people who founded the Jewish religion are not even genetically connected to the people the book speaks about.
Yes, you're 100% right. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Your Shepherd. Ngabantu laba ne. Asibayeke.